Good Places. This is one of the flagship programs of the ICT na naglalayon kong magbigay ng libre and free Wi-Fi sa ating mga public schools, parks, plazas, government, hospitals, RHUs, public libraries, national and local government offices, state universities, colleges, seaports, airports, and train stations. Next slide. Okay, so for the DICT Regional Office, currently ito po yung mga free Wi-Fi active sites. So this is totaling, yan. So as you can see on their screen, marami hong naging strategies and different technologies implemented para po maparating ang free internet sa Cordilleras. Dahil po sa ating very challenging terrain, iba-ibang mga technologies ang ating ini-implement. Kasama ko natin dito ang DICT Central Office na nag-procure ng mga iba't ibang phases for this project. And also, we have currently these phases of the program delivering active free Wi-Fi na po sa ating region. Next slide. So for the regional, for the central office procured phases of the project, we have a total of 852 active free Wi-Fi sites po sa Cordillera. Next slide. And through our regional office procurement, meron po tayo limang active ongoing implementation na po. So next slide. So a total of 275 ongoing implementation na po yan dito sa CAR through the regional office procurement. So to summarize, next slide. Ito ho yung breakdown ng per province dun sa 800 plus sites. 853 sites. So for Ablac, we have a total of 36 active sites. Apayao, 19. Baguio City, 59. Benguet, 331 free Wi-Fi sites. Ifugao, 186. Kalinga, 183 sites. Mountain Province, 16. So total of 850 active sites. And on top of that, later, hopefully, the next couple of weeks, madadagdagan na yan yung 275 na ongoing implementation under the regional procurement. Next slide. So, as we can see, very challenging ang terrain dito sa Cordillera, gawa po ng very mountainous. So, nahihirapan po ang ating mga private sector partners sa private sector to implement din ang kanilang roll-out din ang kanilang internet services. So, what the regional office did is come up with a plan na i-take into advantage natin itong terrain natin. So, currently, we are now in the process of implementing, designing, and maintaining a regional wireless network. Next slide. So, the regional wireless network, this is an initiative of the regional office para ma-create na po tayo ng backbone through wireless technology in anticipation po sa parating na National Broadband Program. So, layunin rin po nito na ma-connect natin yung mga iba't ibang LGUs dito sa region and hanggang maparating natin yung internet na may bibigay ng NBP up to the barangay levels. So, nasimulan na ho natin yan. Next slide. Through the efforts of the regional office, through the available resources lang namin, we were able to link up Santo Tomas to Mount Pulag, Mount Pulag to Kapangan Municipal Hall, Mount Pulag to Atok Municipal Hall, Mount Pulag Station to Tinok Relay Station. So, naparating na ho natin yung or may link up na po tayo sa Benguet, some parts of Benguet and also sa Tinok Ifugao. And tuloy-tuloy po yan, ongoing na rin yung implementation ng iba't ibang municipal point of presence sites pa natin. Kaya dyan, papunta po tayo sa Kibulan, sa Sal Elementary School, and then to Camilo Lucaben dito sa Madaymen. And then, of course, we also could integrate na Mangkayan, Bugyas, and next slide for their future expansion. Mapaparating na rin po natin yan sa Mountain Province and sa Ifugao Province through or partnerships sa mga different municipalities and provincial government units. Next slide. So, we would also like to highlight na yung regional wireless network ng CAR ay isa ho siya sa top priority infrastructure program na ini-endorse ho ngayon ng RDC for the 2025 budget. So, last 2 weeks ago, na-present na rin ho namin to sa mga different representatives of CAR, and we are hoping na masuportahan ito para mas mapalayo pa natin yung reach ng ating wireless network. So, yun naman po, RDLN for the free Wi-Fi and our regional initiated po na wireless network. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Engineer Alexander Marcos.